Wixie tools. Insert text. The text tool in Wixie is found in the top menu bar. I'm going to select text, and Wixie will give me a text box on my canvas. I can, of course, drag this around wherever I would like. I can use the corners as well as the upper and side arrows here to change the size of my text box. And to click in my text box, it's a simple double click. Go ahead and enter your text. And then we can work on editing the text itself. To do this, I just simply need to click on the text, and you'll see over on the right-hand side, I'm going to be given my various text options. I can change my font. By default, it's going to be Roberto, but if I hit the arrow beside it, that will bring up my list of fonts. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose Patrick Hand. To go back to the other options, I'm going to go to the top and go slightly over in that arrow that's on goes to the left. You see I have the color choices here. And I can also change the size of my text using this slide option. I, of course, can do bold, italic, and underline text. And I can also highlight the text. So this would highlight everything within the box. I can also just click on a single word and highlight if I want. To take off the highlight, simply click on that option again. I have my alignment options, and then two unique features that you have here within the Wixie world is to add a shadow to your text and also to put your text inside of a speech bubble. Shadow is exactly what you would expect. I can toggle that on, and then if I hit my side arrow here, I have my options to adjust the shadow itself. So I can change its distance from my lettering, and I can even change how much it's going to be blurred. And then lastly, I can even change that angle. All right. So once I'm happy with the shadow, I can hit my arrow and go back. If I decide I don't like the shadow, I can go ahead and toggle it off. The speech bubble is one of my favorite unique features. I can toggle that on and it will put my text inside of an actual speech bubble. Now, again, if I resize my text box, it will resize my speech bubble itself. I can also grab the end down here and move this. So if I had a character on the screen, I can go ahead and have this come out of my character's mouth. If I want a different style speech bubble, you'll notice again I have that arrow pointing to the right, which means I'm going to have additional options. I can choose the type of speech bubble I want. Okay, again, you can see I have thought bubbles, call outs, even banners are going to be here. This one here in the center with the arrow is a great option if you're going to have students labeling a photograph. I can change the width of the line. I can change my outline color. And I can even change the fill color. One thing you'll notice here is that if I go back and turn my shadow on, it will then shadow the bubble itself and not the text within the speech bubble. You also have the option to link or create a hyperlink to a different website or resource if you want while you're in creating Wixie. So you have that option right here, and you would just paste your link in that box. So that's it for using text in Wixie.